I want to show you the simple AI system that's already made over $23,500 in sales just sharing links on social media. Now, what's cool about this is it's perfect for total beginners and people afraid of social media because you can do this completely faceless. It works for any product in any niche, and it's going to help you make sales around the clock and earn passive income. And of course, the best part is we're going to be letting AI do all the heavy lifting for us. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and in this video, I'm going to break down the exact steps that you can follow to turn simple faceless videos into recurring affiliate commissions. So I've got the exact steps here for you. We'll get started right away. Before we go any further, comment AI money on this video if you want an AI bot that does affiliate marketing for you. That's what I'm going to be showing you how to set up in this video, and you can do it in as simple as these 4 steps. So step 1 is to copy the list of hot AI referral programs at copythelist.com. There's no opt-in required. You can just head straight to copythelist.com and copy my list of AI programs that you can promote to make money online. So I'm going to draw out this exact process in a minute, but I just want you to see the steps and how it works. So that's the first step, copythelist.com to grab the list of affiliate programs that can make you money online. So then the next step, step 2, is to sign up for your favorite tools and grab your referral link. This is so simple. Once you copy the list, then you just pick which tools you want to promote and sign up and grab your referral link. So again, you'll come to this list, pick whichever one of these tools you want to promote, and then you are going to get a referral link that looks like this. So this is a brand new affiliate program I just started promoting, haven't made any sales on this one yet, but you can see the more clicks you make, the more clicks you get, the more likely you are to get sales. So they're going to give you a link, and it's as simple as copying this link. Now, anytime someone buys this product through this link, I get paid. So that's step 2. Step 1 is to copy the list. Step 2 is to sign up for a few of the tools that you want to promote. And step 3 is going to be to set up an automated email sequence, and you can do that using a tool like funnelsforever.com. So here's why you'd want to do something like that. I said I'd draw out this process for you. So this is what most people do. If we take a look at the steps, you'll see after we set up this automated email sequence, which I'm going to show you how to do in a second, the next step is going to be to drive traffic using faceless videos. Now, a lot of people are doing this, but here's what most people do wrong. Most people just send the traffic straight from the video to the affiliate link, but the problem with that is usually people are going to bounce. They're going to look at the offer and then they're going to leave the page. So no matter how many of these videos you create and no matter how much traffic you send, a lot of it is going to be wasted. So what we're going to do is set up an automated email sequence, and it's as simple as setting up an opt-in page. This is just a page where somebody can enter their email and click a button and learn more about the offer. So what we're going to do is use faceless videos that are super simple to create to send traffic to this opt-in page, and then when someone puts their information in this box, then they'll get to see the affiliate offer that can make us money. But if they bounce, that we're not worried about that, because now we're going to have an automated sequence of emails that are going to get sent to these people on a daily basis, bringing them back to this affiliate link. So excuse my ugly drawing here, I'm trying to draw as I talk, but you can see that this automated email sequence is going to increase your chance of making a sale, because instead of seeing that offer one time and bouncing, now you can have them seeing it 7 days a week or 30 days out of the month. So if we look at the steps here, this is all so simple, and I think that this is what most people are missing and why they haven't got started with this. So you can take advantage of this, again, just in these 4 simple steps. Head to copythelist.com to grab the list of affiliate offers, pick which one you want to promote and sign up for it, and then step 3, set up an automated email sequence. How are you going to do that? You could do that using a tool like funnelsforever.com, and check this out. So I'm going to have to reload this here, it looks like, but basically this tool is going to let you set up a basic landing page. So as soon as this loads, you'll see mine. This is an example of one of mine. Here, Profitable Bots, a series of free training from industry-leading experts, how complete beginners can start earning thousands of dollars with AI and social media automation. And you can see there's a spot for someone to put in their email. So that's all this page is. It's a simple image. Anyone can build this, and there's tools here. You can see elements. You can add anything to this page you want just by dragging it onto the page, right? If you want another title, you just drag it in. If you want an image or a list or a link or anything like that, you just drag it onto the page. Super simple. Anyone can do that. And so again, the next step is the automated email sequence. So if you want to send these emails, obviously you have to set up this opt-in page first, but then we can come over here into the sequence builder, and it's super simple. We set up a trigger, and of course the trigger is the form. So here you see it says form. So if we look back at the opt-in page, this is a form where someone puts in their information. So on the sequence builder, the form triggers this sequence, and then we have a time delay of 1 hour. So all I did to set that up was click this time delay button and put a time delay. And then we have send emails. So I click the send email button, and to create these emails, you saw me at the beginning of this video using ChatGPT. So I have ChatGPT writing sales emails that promote my product. So now all I have to do is copy these emails, these AI generated emails, and then come over here and click edit and paste them into the sequence builder. And then I click time delay and I set a time delay, and then I create another email and I paste in the AI content. So that's how simple all this can be, and these are the tools you need to do it. Like I said, copythelist.com. No opt-in required. You can just head straight there and copy my list of profitable affiliate offers to promote. Then again, sign up for whichever ones you want to promote, and then you're just going to set up your basic opt-in page and email sequence. Again, you can do that using a tool like funnelsforever.com. And then the last step is to drive traffic using faceless videos. So I have a ton of videos about how to do that on my channel. If you need help with creating faceless videos, just check out the videos on my channel. You can either point at the screen or create these videos with AI. But if you're serious about automating your income, I have a free checklist at profitpassively.com that's going to go into more detail about how I create faceless videos that actually get a lot of views and send traffic to my affiliate offers, which is how I was able to earn tens of thousands of dollars in commission on various different affiliate products. And I've not only done this for myself, but I've helped a bunch of other people do the same thing. So if you're ready, just head to profitpassively.com, grab my free checklist. It's going to walk you through the exact steps I follow to create faceless videos and turn them into clicks on affiliate offers. So I hope this helped. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click the bright red subscribe button down below so that you see more content like this in the future. If you want to see it right away, click the bell icon so you get a notification on your phone each and every time I upload. And other than that, I hope you make a ton of money online, and I hope to see you in the next AI money making video.